Here's a really simple sauce to serve with a beautiful steak just like mine. This is a Kalette Salsa Verde. Now, usually when you're making a Salsa Verde, you would add lots of different herbs, including some parsley. But using these gorgeous Kalettes, you get a beautiful result. So what are Kalettes? They are a combination of kale and Brussels sprouts. They're super versatile. So you could cook them in the oven, you could roast them, or you could pan fry them, grill them, barbecue them, or keep them raw just like I'm doing. So I'm cutting them in half. I'll place this into a small food processor, and into this we'll add a little mustard, some capers, some baby pickles or cornichons, generous amount of them in here. And just so everything blends nicely and you do need some zing, we'll add some vinegar, red wine vinegar, and a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. You want about at least 2 to 3 tablespoons. Okay, finally a pinch of salt. Lid goes on and I'll blend this until it's smooth. Oh, look at that. Perfectly smooth. I love the colour of this. This just dolloped straight over the steak. That is so delicious. And just because I've got a few extra Kalettes for a garnish, you could even just pick off the leaves because they are so pretty. A beautiful sauce done in minutes to go with steak.